Flash Mod.
Hey guys, this is Billy playing Hunger Game in Minecraft. It's so laggy. I'm just a spectator right now. I died in off video. Oh my! Oh, for the win! Next map. Next. I stole it. Okay, next map. Let's go. Hey guys, Dubelet's back. Something went wrong. I'm videoing and the Verizon stop again. Let's respond. No, don't kill us. Ouch! Ow! Run! Yeah! No.
Patutunayan kong may forever. Promise. Ikaw lang. Kahit ka dito, sumulig ba? Compared to top house, the typical rich boy, what else? The angry, bad boy, Brad. Pero si Nico, may respeto siya sa babae. The two, there's some means. They're always so means. He's a lover boy. He's a mama's boy.
Okay, it's a mama's boy.
Ito naman dito, si Teta Del Mundo. She's also a scholar. Writer siya sa Catalyst.
Hey, next map!
Buting anak, mabait na ate.
Download one.
Better. Yun ang problema sa kanya, better. Hindi siya move on kahit ang gawin niya.
Pero paano kung ang kanilang love story hindi happy ending?
Break na tayo. Ayoko na.
Sabi mo, mahal mo ako.
Dati yun. Pwede magbago.
Para maging happy, gumawa ng sariling love story.
Ay, wala eh. Anak lang kayo. Dami tunnel, dami desk. May naman niya.
Hindi ko na alam kumapit. Nahulog na ako eh. Nahulog na ako sa'yo.
Ano sabi mo?
Kami yung basically character sa
No! No!
Parang kami yung, kasi fantasy part of the story.
Ako si Maria. Si Maria naman is back.
Okay, goodbye guys. This is the worst map ever.
And she's just
Ah!
everything.
I'm gonna stop videoing right now. Gonna stop it.